Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up the setup stats tracking, which is super powerful. So you can track all of your statistics. You can see how many people are booking calls. You can see how many people are filling out forms. You can see how many people are doing whatever you want to see. And it's going to allow you to really find a way to tell if you're being profitable with air and if it's doing better than your human sellers and customer service agents. Okay, so the first step is you're going to go to setup stats tracking. And there's two different ways you can do this. So I'm going to press create new outcome. You can do automatic tracking. So automatic tracking means that the AI, they have an AI that's just reading over all your transcripts, looking over all your recordings, and if it determines that somebody booked a call, for example, then it's just going to go in there and mark and check it off. Someone booked a call, right? So what needs to happen on this call for your desired outcome to be accomplished? Someone needs to book a call with me, or someone needs to want, because Calendly is broken, so somebody needs to want to book a call with me, so we can see how many people want to book a call with us, for example. And this is highly accurate. As I said, it's super simple. There's no setup, but it's not 100% accurate because again, it's an AI going in there and trying to determine whether this person really did want to book a call with me. So what I'd recommend doing is going with the verify tracking. So we enter a name. We'll do demo. Save and continue. Then we're going to press high level. I love high level. If you can use Zapier Make, Zapier Make connect to everything, so that's great. I don't really know with the Rust API. I assume that's just like an API key for everything else. That's I think yeah API or other. But let's say go high level for example, because that's what I love to use. So I'm gonna click that. And I think Thomas or Kayla made a great training on this, but I just want to show it to you guys in a different way, different format. So you're gonna go over to go high level right here. You're going to go to automations and then create workflow. Start from scratch. Now for your first action, you're going to do webhook and you're going to do custom webhook. Okay? And make sure this is going to be post. This is custom. With the URL, you're going to go back over here and press webhook URL. You're going to copy it and paste it right like that. Authorization, you're going to do bearer token like that. You're going to go over here, API key. You're going to copy this one and paste it there. And then you're going to delete all of this. Go back over here, request body. You're going to copy that and paste it like that. Then with this phone number, you're going to highlight from here all the way to here. You want to make sure you get the quotes. You're going to delete that, and then you're going to come over to custom values. You're going to do contact, and then phone raw format. So that's going to pull that person's number in so you can use it here. Now at this point, you're going to press save response from this webhook and save action. I'm missing field. Oh, there we go. Okay, so then you're going to type out a contact. This person doesn't need to be in your contacts list. If they're not, you're probably going to get a 404 error or a 442 error. If you get that, it's no problem. It doesn't matter as long as it fired correctly. But let's try to find one that is in our contacts. So never mind. Okay, so let's do Adam. Why not, right? So send test request for 422, not 442. That's fine. But then you're going to send it one more time. Test again. And here, let me even switch up the contact. Let's put a phone number. That's what we really need to do. 404, test again. A successful test request should be executed. Please select the contact and send a test request. Perfect. Looks like it probably connected. You want to do it a couple times just to make sure, and then you're going to unsave this webhook and press save action. Then we're going to go over to air, and yeah, signal received, tracking is now set up. Our system will now automatically track the outcomes and setup and show the results in the campaigns tab. So continue next step. So awesome. So now it's fully set up. We're going to go back over here. And now what we have to do is we need to find a trigger that triggers it to count as one, right? So first let's publish this, and then, or you would publish it. I'm not going to publish it at the moment. And this can be anything. Anything. So if you want it to be that when somebody gets a tag added, then this happens. It counts as one. That's fine. It can be whatever you want. For this scenario, it's the same thing that Caleb used in his videos, or Thomas. I'm not sure which one it was. But this is the one that makes the most sense. So you'd create a calendar that's specifically just for your air calls. And then you do, so customer booked appointment, add filters, in calendar, you'd put the calendar that you used just for air. So let's say it's this one, save trigger. So now whenever somebody books a appointment in that calendar, it sends an action to your air that, oh, this worked, somebody used that campaign. So you want to make sure that the appointment you're using here is the only one, the only calendar that you're using for air calls, and that you're strictly using it for air calls so that you can get completely accurate data. Hope that helped you guys. Have a great day.